How to fix error code 0x80070422 on Windows 10 and 11. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this Windows Update service error quickly. First, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Next, type services.msc and press Enter to open Services. Following that, scroll down to find Windows Update in the list. Now, double-click on Windows Update to open its properties. Moving forward, look for the Startup Type menu. Afterwards, change it from Disabled to Automatic. In addition to that, click on the Start button to start the service. Once done, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Subsequently, restart your computer to apply all modifications. Moreover, if the problem persists, try starting dependent services as well. Afterwards, open Services again and look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Then, double-click on it to set Startup Type to Automatic. Within this section, click Start and then OK to enable it. Alternatively, do the same for cryptographic services. Once you've set it to Automatic, click Start and then OK. Then also check Windows Installer Service and set it to Manual. Afterwards, restart your computer once all services are configured. Then try running Windows Update again to check if the error is resolved. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you fix error code 0x80070422 on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.